Ever stared at your Uphold balance, ready to invest, only to be met with a frustrating purchase failed message? You're not alone. Many Uphold users have experienced this roadblock, leaving them scratching their heads and wondering, why won't Uphold let me buy? Before we dive into the potential reasons, let's quickly recap what Uphold is. It's a digital money platform that allows you to buy, sell, and hold various assets, from cryptocurrencies to fiat currencies and even precious metals. Its user-friendly interface and wide range of supported assets have made it a popular choice for many. So, why the purchase denials? There isn't one single answer, as several factors could be at play. Let's explore some of the most common culprits. One frequent reason is insufficient funds. While this might seem obvious, double-check your available balance, especially if you have multiple wallets or have pending transactions. Remember to factor in any potential transaction fees Uphold might charge. Another common issue revolves around verification levels. Uphold, like other regulated financial platforms, has different verification tiers with varying transaction limits and functionalities. If you haven't completed the necessary verification steps for your desired purchase amount, your transaction might be blocked. Ensure your account is fully verified according to Uphold's requirements. Payment method issues can also lead to purchase failures. Ensure the payment method you're using is valid, has sufficient funds, if it's a bank account or card, and hasn't expired. Sometimes, banks or card issuers might flag transactions with cryptocurrency platforms as suspicious, leading to a temporary block. Contacting your bank or card issuer might resolve this. Uphold also has daily or weekly transaction limits in place for security reasons. If your intended purchase exceeds these limits, it will be declined. You can usually find information about your account's limits within the Uphold platform or by contacting their support. Technical glitches, while less frequent, can also occur. Uphold servers might be experiencing temporary issues, or there could be a bug in the app or website. In such cases, waiting a while and trying again might resolve the problem. Checking Uphold's social media channels or status pages can also provide insights into any ongoing platform-wide issues. Furthermore, the specific asset you're trying to purchase could have its own restrictions. For instance, certain assets might have minimum or maximum purchase amounts. Regulatory restrictions in your region could also impact the availability of certain assets or transaction types. Finally, and this is crucial for security, if Uphold detects any suspicious activity on your account, they might temporarily restrict transactions to protect your funds. This could include unusual login attempts or large, uncharacteristic purchase orders. In such cases, Uphold will likely notify you and guide you through the necessary steps to resolve the issue. Troubleshooting purchase failures on Uphold often involves a process of elimination. Start by checking your balance and payment method. Then, verify your account level and ensure you're within your transaction limits. If the issue persists, try again later or reach out to Uphold's customer support for specific guidance related to your account. They are best equipped to diagnose the exact reason behind the purchase failure and provide a solution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.